This microinjectrode system is designed for drug infusion, electrophysiology, and delivery and retrieval of experimental probes such as microelectrodes and nanosensors. It is optimized for repeated use in awake, behaving animals with minor penetration damage to surrounding tissues. The microinjectrode system can be configured for multiple purposes. The first is a simple arrangement of the cannula for placement of an experimental probe that would otherwise be too fragile to penetrate the dura mater. The second is a microfluidic infusion of a drug, either independently or coupled to a cannula containing an experimental probe. The microfluidic components of the system allow for delivery of volumes in the nanoliter scale.
Measure the length of the cannula and the nanosensor probe or microelectrode. Probe must be longer than the cannula by the length it is to protrude from the cannula tip, plus approximately 1 centimeter. Under a magnifier, load the probe into the cannula through the back to protect the tip of the probe. Insert the cannula containing the probe into the T-junction from the bottom ferrule. Place the top flat end side of the cannula in the middle of the T-junction. Avoid blocking the junction via the cannula by retracting it back into the junction and then tighten it. Attach a tubing to the top of the microelectrode. Backload the microelectrode through the capillary tubing, T-junction, cannula, and corresponding ferrules. Cut the microelectrode at the desired length and scrape off the end. Make sure that the back end of the electrode protrudes less than 1 centimeter from the back of the capillary tubing, and the tip of the electrode protrudes from the cannula at the desired distance on the bottom side. Place the microelectrode terminal into the gold pin, and solder the gold pin to the